Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find my gift list in Best Buy. It's pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I've done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. Now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to find your gift list, or my gift list in a sense, in Best Buy. Now from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have top deals, deal of the day. Yes, Best Buy sells that, my Best Buy memberships, credit cards, gift cards, and more. Go ahead and click on more and you find gift ideas. So click on more and click on gift ideas. That's gonna be really prompt, So I'm clicking on that. So click on more and click on gift ideas. So here you have a window where you have a wide array of gifts. So you have gift ideas, you have popular gift lists. Scroll the way down and see the window is loading, and once it does, you're gonna find a list of ideas, gift ideas that you can buy or you can give to your friends, family members, loved ones. Yeah, you have popular gift list, top tech, Apple gifts. These are categories that you can definitely browse. You have gifts for homes, gift for travelers, outdoor gifts, gift for gamers, health and fitness gifts. Even have gift cards. Now, eco-friendly gifts, retro gifts, toys, unique gifts, graduation gifts. Even have gifts by price. That gifts under $50, gifts $50 to $100. You have gifts of $100 to $250, gifts of over $250, gifts by recipients. They can gift for everyone, can gift for him, get ideas for everyone, gift ideas of gift for him, get ideas for gift for her, get ideas of gifts for teens, get ideas of gifts for kids, get ideas for gifts for parents. You have top rated toys that you can shop and a wide variety of options in here. So this is the window where you can find your gift list in Best Buy. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. So once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.